Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting video on my channel. And if you guys don't know, the new monkey update is out, and today me and my sister are going to be checking it out.
Yep.
And don't forget to like and subscribe and turn those notification bells on so you get notified every time we post a video. And without further ado, let's hop into the video.
We both said it opposite. Anyways,
Yeah. Okay, so let's get in to the new monkey update fairground circus thing. Oh my goodness! A toy monkey, a monkey king. There's a ninja monkey and a business monkey. This cool.
That is so cool. And this is a premium box, which costs Robux, and the other one.
This one
is and the other one costs $600.
Oh, these are so cool.
Let's check the percentages.
Okay, so the percentages. There's 0% common in the premium boxes, 40% uncommon in the premium boxes, and 30% rare, 20% ultra rare, and 5% legendary in premium boxes. Yeah. Now let's go over to the ones that you can buy with $600.
Yeah.
45% common, 30% uncommon, 15% rare, and 10% ultra rare, and 0% legendary, which is a big bummer. So guys, if you guys don't know,
we do get the ingredients. If you guys don't know, the ingredients are up on the board, and the one that has a the black one, the legendary.
It's a legendary.
Yeah, legendary. Obviously, there is an albino monkey you can get,
and
a staff that you can get a king monkey with.
Okay, so I also read that you can only get a staff and an albino monkey out of the premium boxes.
Yeah.
So that's a big bummer, but it's okay. I mean, it's only a little fair, you know. And guys, I have also got sad news.
Yeah.
For some reason, one day I came on Roblox and I had 0 Robux, and well, guys, I was a little sneaky and I decided to buy a few monkeys off camera. I was a little sneaky. I was like so excited. But also, guys, if you're wondering where my unicorn and king bee, well, I got a king bee recently off camera too. If you're wondering where they went, adopt me or something happened, they went there when one day I came on. So that's also a big bummer for me, but it's okay.
Yeah.
I'll get something figured out for that.
Yep.
But anyway, this update is so exciting. Okay, let's move on to all these monkeys. Okay, so let's go. Yep. I'm going to do the business monkey. Okay. So it says, equip a monkey. I'll equip this one. Okay. Okay, I'm a business monkey, master of all economics. Okay. Nice. For 3 briefcases, I will teach your monkey the finer details of businesses.
Wow.
Oh. This won't do at all. I need 3 briefcases to transform your monkey. Okay.
I do have 3 briefcases.
Yeah.
But we are going to be transforming the monkeys, all of the monkeys, in the next video.
And
so
also, guys,
be tuned for the next video.
Also, in the next video, we will be making 1 neon monkey.
Yeah, a regular monkey.
Yep,
I do have what's it called again? I do have one of the monkeys that I've already made. I will show you.
I also heard that ninja monkey was a legendary. It was legendary apparently. And
here it is.
Also, I like this update because like
wait. I need to show them this. Okay, this is it. The ninja monkey.
That's so cool.
This is the only one that I've made so far. So
also, guys, that this update is gonna be going in 4 weeks, but it's gonna pass around the world and it'll come back now and then.
So it's not gonna be going forever. It will come back, but not really quick.
Okay, I'm gonna read ninja monkey now.
Yep.
I'm a ninja monkey, master of all stealth. Oh, nice. Give me 3 skulls and I will teach your monkey to walk the path of the ninja.
Yep.
I would love that. This is not enough. I need 3 skulls to show your monkey the way of the ninja.
I did get 3 skulls and I did transform that one, the one that I just showed you. And if you guys don't know, oh my god, the ninja monkey is legendary as well.
Yep, as I said before.
You do have a really big chance of getting the ninja monkey.
King monkey. I can't wait to read with that.
Yeah.
Toy monkey. I'm a toy monkey, master of fun. Nice. I can see. Give me 3 symbols and I will teach your monkey how to spread joy like me. Oh, I would like that.
You don't have that one.
Oh no, you don't have enough. I need 3 symbols to transform your monkey.
I also do have that one. I will show you guys now.
Let's go check that one out. Okay, cash out. Thank you. Right here. That is so cool.
I know.
Okay, let's go. I see my monkeys.
This monkey, the toy monkey, does need 3 symbols.
Yeah. Okay, let's read this one. I'm a king monkey.
My favorite one.
Master of all, give me 3 staffs and I will teach your monkey how to rule responsibility like me.
Wow. Oh. 3 staffs. Also, you do only get staffs from the premium box.
Like I said before. Your gift is unworthy. Return with 3 staffs to transform your monkey. Wow, a little sassy, you know.
Yeah.
Calm down, little monkey. I know you're all royal. Oh, well. So, guys, as you can see, there's so many cool things. Okay, so let's move on to the breeds of these items.
Yeah.
Okay, so candy floss is common. The hypnotic frisbee and the little unicycle looking thing and the clown umbrella is uncommon. The symbol, the briefcase, and okay, I'm stuck in the board. Can I please can I please get out, please? Please.
I think you have to okay, there we go.
Okay, the monkey, the symbol, and the little monkey thingamajiggy and the briefcase is all rare, and the scroll, the clan car, and this other thing is ultra rare, and then an albino and the staff, which you get out of premium, is legendary.
I can't wait to get that. I'm literally going to spend so many Robux to only get that. It is really rare to get, so hopefully I do.
Yeah.
And my sister's gonna try that as well. You know,
I will,
obviously.
So these are the things that I've so far gotten out of
a briefcase, a symbol,
boxes that I was sneaky with. Okay, a briefcase. I only got 1 briefcase, one symbol, and a hypnotic frisbee, which is laying in my inventory somewhere here.
So I am going to tell you guys what I have. I'm gonna just come in front of my sister.
Yeah.
And say that. Okay, there we go.
So she has. Go catch that. It's not a frisbee.
Can you please stop moving?
Yeah.
I have a scroll.
Yeah.
What's it called?
A briefcase.
I actually do have 3 of them, so I will be making a business monkey in the next video. And I also, that's all I have. Also, I do have this propeller.
Yeah, the one we said that was
monkey propeller.
Ultra rare.
2 clown
umbrellas. That's rare.
And 2 hypnotic frisbees.
Also, that is
I think that's
uncommon.
It. Yeah, that's it. Also this. A pogo stick.
A monkey pogo stick.
Yeah.
Okay, that is also rare.
Yeah.
Also, guys, so as I said before, this update will be coming now and then, but it will go in 4 weeks, but it'll come back now and then, as I said. And I can't wait to transform all my monkeys into these. And as I said before, wait for the next video. We're going to be making a neon monkey.
Also, we are going to be buying loads of premium ones. So be tuned. And we are going to be spending a lot of money. So
also, guys. We're gonna be giving away a few monkeys, maybe even a neon monkey. To join this giveaway, like and subscribe and turn on all post notifications so you get notified every time we post a video. And
there's one more thing. A lot of you guys don't really get the premium ones because you can't get Robux, which is really a big bummer. It is how many Robux?
Let me see. It is 195.
So that's nearly 200 Robux. And if we do get a albino, we do get enough albinos, we are going to be giving an albino monkey to a lucky person. And some premium boxes as well.
So make sure to like and subscribe. And so let's check that. The premium box is for 195 Robux, and the normal clown box is for 600 bucks, which is okay and fair, I think. Anyway,
like we said before, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, comment down below your username so we can pick a winner, a really, really lucky winner. We're gonna be having 6 winners for all the giveaways that we're having. We are going to be announcing it maybe next video, or if not next video, maybe we're going to be saying
next week.
Next week, yeah.
Yeah, next Sunday.
Also, yeah.
So guys, we have reached to the end of the video, and yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe.
We've said that like thousands of times.
Yeah, we'll see you all next time.
Bye.
Bye.